Siding removal in Overland Park, Kansas, 10235 Briar. Removing the old shake siding. We're going to be installing a CertainTeed Cedar Impressions vinyl shake, 7-inch perfection shingle. Going ripping off the back, putting on new. In the middle of doing new siding, we've ripped off the existing, redecked it, resheeted the siding, Tyvek wrapped it. All new brick molding with never rot PVC as well. We've also installed the roof of this house too. CertainTeed Presidential Autumn Blend. We're tearing off the front cedar shake. Getting ready to install new OSB and Tyvek brick molding, then finish up with the Cedar Impressions vinyl shakes shingle. Finished product, 10235 Briar. Now they are doing the painting themselves of those planter boxes. This is CertainTeed Cedar Impressions vinyl shake shingle. Installed in Overland Park, Kansas. All new brick molding, Tyvek wraps, OSB, foam insulation. Very efficient package.